In the vast graveyards of military aviation, some legends don't just retire, they hide. This is where history's wings came to rest. But for those who listen, they still whisper of untapped potential. These machines aren't relics, they're blueprints, with the right moves with purpose, driven by a vision to resurrect the past. In the vast desert graveyard, where rusted giants sleep, Alex presses on, driven by a passion for forgotten wings. There it is. The signature angular lines are unmistakable, even decades in the making, pulsing with hidden potential. In the vast desert boneyard, Alex approaches the weathered tarp. His hand makes contact, fingers tracing the coarse fabric, sensing the hidden potential within the rusted machines. In the desert silence, hidden beneath layers of time, a relic stirs. Steady now. This could change everything. As the veil lifts, ancient dust parts to unveil a form of sleek power. It's real. Look at the F-117 God. Its silence speaks of sands and potential. We'll bring it back, restore its legacy. The F-117 Nighthawk, the world's first operational stealth aircraft, a ghost that owned the night skies. No. Come on, open up for me. There we go, a real time capsule.
Bringing a ghost back to the world of the living requires more than just passion. It requires power.
The tranquility of the boneyard is shattered by the arrival of heavy machinery. The vehicles dwarf the surrounding derelict aircraft. Alex watches from a safe distance, having tucked the logbook securely inside his jumpsuit. In the desert boneyard, a forgotten Nighthawk stirs. Straps secure, hooks locked, lift her slow and steady. The crane groans, cables taut. Easy now, watch the fuselage. In a forgotten desert boneyard, a lone restorer begins the work of resurrection.
The Nighthawk, she's ready to fly again.
The crane's cables strain, lifting the ghost from its sandy grave. Look at her, a phoenix from the ashes. The F-117 Nighthawk, ready for extraction from the desert graveyard.
Lowering into position, steady.
A perfect placement on the transport cradle.
Securing the clamps, manual check.
The first step is complete. In the graveyard of giants, one legend stirs to life.
The ghost is ready, let's bring her home.
The convoy awakens, a slow procession through forgotten relics. This is just the beginning. In a desert graveyard of forgotten steel, a convoy presses on.
A Gulf shipwreck approaching edge today.
The F-117 Nighthawk ghost rises again. The hangar, part hospital, part time machine. Here, the teardown begins.
Let's begin the teardown. Prepped at a marvel of engineering ready for renewal. Panel access is clean, precision is key.
In the restoration hangar, every bolt holds the key to unlocking the ghost's secrets.
Steady, let's get these bolts off.
The futuristic wrench hums with precision, purging decades of corrosion. Easy now, old friend. Let's get you out of there intact. There we go. Still got some fight left in you. The restoration begins. The outer shell gives way.
Panel detached, internal systems are stable.
The intricate core is revealed, a marvel of engineering. The restoration process accelerates, transforming the weathered ghost into a clean slate. A blast of compressed air scours decades of desert sand from its frame. Perfect, it's ready. The restoration of the F-117 Nighthawk pushes the boundaries of precision engineering. With the engine bay cleaned, the masses where innovation and expertise into converge, bringing the ghost back to life. In the vast restoration hangar, the team's precision is tested as the massive F-404 engine, the heart of the ghost, is slowly and carefully extracted. There it is. Every piece a story, every component a challenge. The teardown is an autopsy and an act of reverence. In this state-of-the-art hangar, we fuse physical archaeology with digital recreation to restore the shape for that scan-out section. Perfect. Time holographic render is every detail of Kamara's tech. Every part tells a story, and now we begin a new chapter. The scans are perfect. She's ready for reassembly. With every rivet, we honor her past and forge her future. Let's begin. In the high-tech restoration hangar, human precision meets well-sequenced support. The robotic arm moves with flawless accuracy, sparks illuminating the future of flight. All right, let's get these new fiber lines in. Precision is key. The new nervous system comes alive, pulsing with data. Perfect sync. This fusion of man and machine, reborn. The team makes the final connection to the F-404 engine. We have full power. The restoration is complete. The heart of the machine is returned to its body. The Nighthawk's one step closer to being whole again. Perfect alignment. Lock it in. Outstanding work, team. Initiating hydraulic activation. Watch the fluid surge through the new lines. The gears extending. Locking mechanism engaged. Perfect sequence. Restoration complete. She's ready for the next phase. The energy conduits are stabilizing. Initiating final surface protocols. Robotic sanders activate. The polishers will bring out that trivet skimp in it. Alex inspects every inch, ensuring flawless restoration. The preparation is complete. The robotic sprayer descends to apply the stealth coating. It's incredible to watch the final transformation. The iconic matte black paint reveals the jet's true form. The spray completes the coating. Watch the surface transform. In seconds, it dries to crystalline radar-absorbent finish. See how it absorbs light? The stealth is fully restored. The final pieces are in place. The canopy lowers, sealing the form. Perfect seal. The restoration is complete. Alex places his hand on the cool fuselage, the bond between man and machine, menacingly. In a high-tech hangar, aviation expert Alex prepares to activate the F-117 Ghost he has restored, marking a pivotal moment of technological revival. Okay, old friend, let's see if you remember how to wake up. In the heart of the hangar, Alex prepares to awaken the Ghost. Initiating main valley power. The switch guard opens. A deliberate press unleashes its dormant power. The Ghost stirs. Initiating main auxiliary power out. The dead cockpit is reborn in a cascade of light and data. HUD is online. The restoration is complete. The Ghost flies again. Welcome to the restoration hangar. Our primary subject, the stealth activate, bringing the stealth tech. The energy signature is stabilizing. The Ghost is ready for its next mission. After immense effort, the restoration is complete. There you are. Welcome back. The team erupts in celebration as the F-117 Nighthawk Ghost is reborn. It is reborn. No longer a relic, but a legend. We're ready to command the sky once more. The Ghost awakens, a marvel of stealth and precision. Doors opening. She's ready for her first flight. From darkness to the blinding light of the desert, engines primed. Launch sequence initiated. The F-117 Nighthawk, a legend reborn. Cloaked in shadow and reborn from the mist, the Ghost of War emerges. Stealth, power, and precision. Ready to fly. Ghost is ready. Bringing her out.
From the shadows of restoration, a legend awakens. Engines online, crossing the threshold once more.
Restored to glory, the Ghost rises.
Power systems are green. She's ready. The Nighthawk awakens, a legend reborn. Let's show them what she can do.
The Ghost is born again, a perfect fusion of stealth and power. Every rivet, every panel restored to pristine condition.
Ghost is ready. Systems green.
A symbol of technological rebirth, ready for the future. The moment of truth. A Ghost returns to its natural habitat.
Avionics check complete. All systems green. Ready for taxi.
Ignition sequence initiated. The Beast awakens.
The roar echoes the triumph of restoration. Engine stable. Ready for the next phase. Engine ignition firm rate. Commencing tech sequence. Soft or runway. All system cards are green. Smooth power air. Clear for departure.
That's it. Show them what you've got.
Ghost is go for vertical climb. Engaging full afterburners now.
The F-117 Nighthawk vertical ascent, shattering the sound barrier while listening.
High in the stratosphere, the Ghost powers through the endless blue, its form catching the sun's fire. The climb is complete. Now, she soars. Leveling out at this altitude is a thing of pure beauty. Unstoppable. At extreme altitude, the Ghost executes a flawless barrel roll, its angular design slicing through the air with precision. A legend brought back from the brink, its legacy secured for a new generation. Restoration complete. Ghost is operational. Banking right. Trajectory locked.